This is the installation guide for RAG Proof of Concept Harry Clerk Art Assistant. Prerequisites. Before starting, install these. Node.js version 18 or higher, download from this link and verify with Node version. You're also going to want to download NPM and verify with NPM version. You're also going to want to download Ollama from this link and choose your operating system and verify Ollama version. You're going to want to clone the repository with this command. Then you're going to want to go into the project folder. Then you're going to want to go into the front end folder. Then you're going to want to install the dependencies npm install. On Windows, if PowerShell blocks npm, do npm command install. And you're going to want to pull the chat model Ollama pull 3.2. Then you're going to want to pull the embedding model Ollama pull mx by embed large. To verify you downloaded the model, you want to do Ollama list. Then to start Ollama, you want to do Ollama serve. Then you're going to want to make a .env local file with these settings. And then to start the development server, you're going to want to do npm run dev. To go to the website, you want to go to http localhost 3000.